Hey guys, Jay here.
And Nick.
Welcome to Eons of Battle, and in this video we would like to give you a little history on us,
Some channel maintenance.
and some clickbait content. See you after the intro. Eons of Battle was born February 23rd, 2014, weighing 700 pounds, with no hair, and was a YouTube video. Prior to starting a YouTube channel, however, Nick and Jay met in 8th grade and became friends in high school. They began collaborating on projects including some YouTube videos that have since been purged from the internet, and several video games that will also never see the light of day. Around this time, I got balls deep into 40k and showed some of these models to Nick, who quickly jumped on board and started an orc army. Things quickly spiraled out of control, and our heroes find themselves starting a YouTube channel about their newfound hobby, using all the skills that they have learned about cameras, painting, and screwing around. The name Eons of Battle was chosen because it was available, and it was getting late that day, and we needed something. Our first video was how to create a realistic snow effect. We threw ourselves into these videos, and made so many that on our first day we had to take a break and buy another SD card, because we had already filled up our 16 gigabyte card. That's right, 16 gigabytes. With no real knowledge of what we were doing, we tried our hand at everything. Product reviews, battle reports, terrain tutorials, how to paint, whatever we could think of. Eventually, we found our stride with simple basing tutorials focusing on using household stuff to make nice scenic bases. Now that we knew what we were good at, we went full steam ahead, making 198 videos. Nothing could stop us. Until we stopped in 2015. Why did we stop, you ask? Well, we had just graduated high school, best of our year, both of us just squeaking by on our good looks and charm. And I skipped the last day of class to take a drug test so I could get a warehouse job. While our classmates were wearing blue dresses and getting a piece of paper, we were playing 40k in my basement. But we had to stop. We were moving on. College, jobs, Nick's pet rock. The opportunity to spend our weekends making videos was over, and who knew when we would get that chance again. Why, it was 2017! We moved to Milwaukee, a city famous for its statue of the Fawns. We moved to attend a state school and were finally in a position to make videos again. We started cranking them out until we found out college is a lot of work and we really couldn't keep up the videos, so once again, Eons of Battle went into slumber, never to return. But there has been an awakening. Have you felt it? Now, in 2020, we are back, and at full power. With better equipment, BS degrees, and badder than ever. We are churning out better content at a faster pace with even more pizzazz, so watch out. So here we are now. Eons of Battle is coming in hot. New tutorials every Monday and Friday.
And on Wednesday, we're going to be doing big, fun scripted videos.
We stream live painting sessions constantly, and if you need some good basing ideas, we got them.
And if you need to get in touch with us, you can find us on Instagram at Eons of Battle.
So, we here at Ye Olde Eons of Battle, we've been at this for a while now, and we like to think we've come a long way in terms of production value, talent, and skill. We've also learned to laugh at ourselves, out of necessity. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy some clickbait content where a YouTuber reacts to YouTube video. I give you Eons of Battle reviews, Eons of Battle. Alright gang, first things first, we're going to be watching how to create a tech marine base. This video was published in July 27th, 2014. Oh, the old drawing. I think I drew that in class.
Yep.
All right, using some just metal.
Just using metal.
Just using. So it'll.
First thing I did was
it kind of works because it gives you some nice texture and some nice objects, but it's the model's not really gonna have a lot of room to sit on.
Yeah.
If I was to do this again, I think what I would do is I would use a couple of pieces of metal and put them like into some texture paste or something, just so that there was an actual room for the model. One bit, very nice.
One
that's where its foot's gonna go. That's the only thing it'll attach to. Okay, two.
Oh my gosh.
Am I gonna put any sand on there or anything?
Nope.
Nope. Okay, no sand. Dry brushing.
Dry brush.
Very nice. I mean, this is all fine. Dry brushing. Looks a little wet. All right, some orange. Make it look like rust.
Is that it?
It looks real brown. Oh my god, is that? It's only 2 minutes.
That might be it.
That might be it.
Maybe a null oil?
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, that looks.
The base in a black wash.
Oh, a black wash.
Called it.
It's like I'm not the one who did the video.
Yeah.
Oh my my god. It has its place.
Oh,
Oh, wow. Not even in focus.
I love it's a Techmarine base, put an orc on it.
You can see I put green stuff on the feet to actually get it to stick down to the base.
You can visit our website at eonsofbattle.com.
Wow.
I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.
So,
Yeah.
I mean, we were, what, 5-6 years
Yeah,
younger than we are right now?
Well, we were 5-6 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, obviously, by the look of that, 5-6 years old.
So, maybe that isn't perfect for a base, but I could see it as like a pile of terrain.
Yeah.
Like, you could, make some little piles of it to put on a rusty Martian base. It could be fine. It's not useless, but the presentation is.
Yeah. Well, and you could use maybe machine screws or something. So it's a little bit smaller scale.
Yeah, I think those are just screws I had from an IKEA shelf or something. They're a little big.
All right.
All right. Graveyard base. Oh my god, you guys don't even know. Are you familiar with Graveyard base? It is legendary in our lineup of basing tutorials. How to create a gay graveyard base. How to create a graveyard base.
Hey guys, Jay here. Welcome to EonsOfBattle.
Oh, I like the color one.
How I made a graveyard
Oh
base.
god. You know what though? Higher production value. We put some glamour shots at the beginning.
Yep.
So the first
Paint
thing I did
list?
was I took my popsicle stick and I cut off
3
the end with
seconds.
a
We
pair of
way went
wire
backwards on
cutters.
our lighting though. There is no
These were
light. All right,
really
so I
my
cut the top
attention.
off of popsicle
The
stick.
perfect size and shape.
You could say it's the perfect size and
Then
shape. Those
I
are
glue that down with
words
a little bit of hot
I'm
glue.
capable of saying. More hot glue. Unless I'm very much mistaken, I'm going to be pouring hot glue on
And then
this
to
thing.
create a little bit of a raised
Yep.
area on the base, I took some more hot melt glue.
I think the idea is that that's the bump for the
And then I
body.
spread
Yeah.
it around with a toothpick. I also used
No,
the toothpick to take
that
out
ruined
the
it.
excess.
That ruined it. Oh, look at I'm having a hard time. Why wouldn't we just try
And
again?
then I just smeared it down to the base.
Yeah, then I just smeared it down to the base
Yep.
because it didn't work.
At all.
Then
The
I
colors just
began
change
painting
all of
my
a sudden.
tombstone.
Yep.
Now, wood takes really
Definitely
then
doesn't look like wood anymore, right?
with dead
Oh
wood.
yeah, definitely not. Once again, I'm starting to get better at dry brushing. There's less paint on my brush.
Yep.
It's still not dry, but there is less paint.
Then I applied
right,
some
Elmer's glue,
PVA glue
classic.
to the base. I used a wet brush to
Get-
I know.
get
I
that
know.
around.
I know it's happening after this.
Oh my god, I do too, and
Now,
it
when you're
hurts.
using a brush,
It hurts my
or a
soul.
Make sure that you wet the brush first. Otherwise, you might end up getting glue locked inside the bristles, and
Glue.
you could end up killing your brush.
Might get glue.
And then
Yep.
once I had gotten it all over the base, I applied my grass.
Not
blocking.
barely on camera.
Yeah.
Just
We didn't want to see how bad it
sprinkle,
was.
sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. What am I doing?
Shaking it off. Always a good skill to have.
Mhm.
In the middle. Yep.
Once I had shaken off.
That looks good.
grass blocking,
All right.
I just
The
went
word
to
lettering?
simple
Wow,
RIP.
I'm using a real rough brush to do
Some
this.
black paint.
Rip.
Rip. I
Rip this
painted
video.
that real small. I could have gone a little bigger.
Yep.
Oh, and then it's done.
Ah.
I think
have any
we were
ideas,
even a little
techniques,
bit
that's
embarrassed
easy.
by this,
Please leave
and
a
then we
comment
decided to
below.
put the
Like
Tyranid
some more
arm
videos,
bursting out of the
Yeah,
ground.
so it looked like
So it
something.
looked like
I hope
something.
you found this video
I think we
helpful.
should do this base
Thanks
again.
for watching.
I think soon we
That
should
would be
recreate
so
this base.
It is October.
It is October. It's the month of spooks.
That'd be pretty good.
Holy cow! This video has all sorts of problems.
Yep. I love how you didn't paint the base before.
No, I was
if-
about to say
yeah, if you
that.
did a brown, nice brown, and
Or
then
green even.
Mhm. Anything but what you did.
Yeah, anything. There's it doesn't look like round. It doesn't look in scale. Why I used a real bad brush to write RIP. Like I have
You can barely from
You can-
where we
yeah.
are. We can barely. It looks like DIP.
and I have videos where I actually do an okay job freehanding. Like I
Yeah.
have those chaos symbols.
yeah.
I could clearly do it. I just decided not to on this video.
Yeah.
I think if this is the worst video.
Yeah.
This is the worst video.
I mean, this is.
I'm
not
glad
even
it's there though.
Yeah.
Because it's there.
It is
It is
there.
the worst one.
Mhm.
Clearly, how long? How is this 2 minutes and 40 seconds?
Mhm.
It's the worst video ever made, and it's the worst video we will ever make. Hopefully.
Hopefully, that's true.
Any battle report.
Oh.
Any battle report. I would definitely say battle reports are the hardest thing to do.
They're pretty hard.
Everyone does battle reports, and I don't know if I really love any of them out there. I tend to hop around because once they actually get into the rolling of dice and stuff, whoosh, just it gets right past me. And ours are the worst.
Yeah, I can say that we have the worst battle reports.
I think we do. I really think we do.
Well, roulette number 1.
I think we gotta go.
It's the close. It's only 10 minutes.
It's only 10. Yeah, let's watch that one then. The first one.
I mean, we could even watch 2 if we wanted to.
We could do whatever we want.
We can do whatever.
We could go to McDonald's.
We can. So far, so good.
This video is brought to you by McDonald's. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. We're loving it.
Today we're gonna bring our report. I have with me my opponent Fox. Fox.
Yeah, he wanted to be on camera.
Yeah.
We are going to be playing
That was good.
Roulette. There's no gambling involved. We are simply going to. We have with us.
Where did we
4
film
armies,
this?
And we are going to be
We filmed it.
see who
You used to have a
wins
screen.
what. We're gonna be playing
Oh, you're right. We hung a curtain.
Yeah.
Like we hung up like a bed sheet.
Yeah.
You're absolutely right.
We're gonna roll off the armies now. I'm gonna go first.
Wow.
Alrighty.
We handled this?
and
We
Oh,
were. Yeah. Oh,
Of
yeah.
course.
8. 8. What is
Oh, that exists
Chaos
somewhere.
Space
That dice
Marines?
box. my stomach.
Yes, Chaos Space Marines. So,
Why did you stop?
Yeah, I don't know.
That's great.
And who's gonna go next? Fox is gonna go next.
And so far, this is fine. Rolling for initiative or whatever we're supposed to be doing.
That's also chaos.
Are we rolling for? We're rolling for armies.
Oh, you're right. You're
It's
right.
roulette.
Yeah, that's the whole gag. We didn't know what army we were gonna play.
One more.
Works.
Awesome. The Chaos Army I put together a 20-man squad of cultists
Neat.
with a
Oh, I
flamer,
love Fox's models.
a,
Actually, they're really sweet.
10-man squad
The
of
cultists
Space
that
Marines
we'd have
with
painting
a,
parties and we'd all paint
flamer.
our stuff together.
I have put together
And his cultists look pretty
3
slick.
squads of
Purple
chosen.
and
All of
tan.
them have,
Not a bad color
3
on
flamers
some
each.
lava bases.
A 15-man squad of cultists with a flame put together.
It's neat.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful.
So I put a list together for Fox since he doesn't play Orcs very much.
Aww.
So we have a
Look at
Warboss,
those.
and we have
Mhm.
5 knobs with
You got the
him,
blue on there,
and,
on
three
most of them.
They are
have
blue.
Power claws, and they'll be in this truck over here. Then we have 20 shooter boys. And,
I mean, this
we
is
have
torture
battle
for them, but I'm actually really having a good time watching this. This is awesome. Going back and looking at this sort of thing.
And this squad will be. In
There are a lot of them are
battle
painted.
wagon over here.
They are.
And we
Yeah.
also have 40 Ludas. And
For-
that's-
Look at
Oh,
those ones. Those
they're
are definitely done. What is the shot?
Yeah, I remember we made this table, and it's sand on a sheet of plywood.
Yeah.
You know what? It got the job done. Kinda, sorta,
Mhm.
not really. I do like the lovely mats now they have nowadays.
Oh, the
the
mats are
neoprene.
Causing 18 more casualties. As you can see in this pile here.
Ah, that's
He then
awesome.
consolidated 6 more inches, and he
Causing
seems to be,
18 more
being
casualties.
chosen. It's a little hard to tell, but I think that's what he plans to do.
You know, though, those 3
Here,
Space Marines are probably
nothing's
gonna
really happened.
hold the
Here,
line.
nothing has happened.
Hold the line!
Hundreds Fired at the orcs, missing every time but one,
Ah, I am struggling
Hundreds.
real hard.
and killed one. And then
Wow, it seems like I'm getting
the truck
stomped
rolled up,
in this game.
off. The knobs got off, and they charged into the boys, or into my Chaos Space Marines, killing 3 Chaos Space Marines.
This is.
And
Oh my god! If anyone has
4
watched this all the way through,
tanks
they
before
deserve a
they were
reward.
No.
Like
We're
no
the
one has
first-
ever done it.
we're the
No one's
first
done
people.
it.
killing
One by one by
a
one. I'm sure I watched like a
shot
Striking
kills
Scorpion video right before
boys.
this. I was
Oh,
like,
yeah.
I got it. I
Yeah,
got
we
this.
know how to do
boys
this.
moved in and attacked the
Should we finish painting now?
other squad of,
No.
of Chosen, killing
They'll
one
look the
Chosen,
same.
And I
I think that's how we could justify like spending the afternoon playing a game. It's like it's for the video.
Yeah.
It's for, we'll get 1,000 views, million views. It'll be fine.
Yeah. Million views.
and they fired wounds on the knobs, and then
People
he
recently
attacks my
got
Space
a little
Marines, killing
fussy because I
all
put
7
bricks
of
on a
them,
on.
and
Remember
killing
the
my
battlefield
Chaos
or
Uh-huh.
the ruins,
They're now
and there was
huddled
bricks
out in
on in a
cover
building that
by
didn't look like it had
projectiles.
bricks.
My, flame
I love this.
attack is sure to
This
come.
building is covered
He
in
then
bricks,
took
but
his
does not
battle
look like a
wagon
building
once
that has
again,
bricks.
Slammed my the combat's going on.
Oh, I did graffiti on that
you
one.
These
Where is this
fired
stuff?
upon
Yeah, I
I'm
don't
gonna. It's got to be around.
The Shooter boys. It's turn 3.
Oh, remember
What
you
a-
made all those big shooters?
Yeah.
All right, orcs lost 73. Chaos lost 300 and. Oh, all right. The orcs caught up real fast. Oh yay! We're watching an ad. We're gonna get 0.01 cent.
Yep.
And ran away, giving this orc battle wagon the attacks it needed. A tank shocked the squad, and they failed their leadership and ran.
Wow.
Yeah.
Over here.
Oh god, remember reading
two
like
Hellbrutes
tank
fired
shock
upon
and just
Lewis,
going line by line.
Mhm.
All right, so now you roll,
Truck,
and then
tank
you see
shot,
what models fall back.
Yep.
This
It's a pain.
Hellbrute putting.
Yeah, I wonder who's gonna win.
Mhm.
I guess if we were going by points though, orcs lost 6 points. Chaos lost 401
Yeah,
points.
I think that works last.
Game point loss total: orcs lost 385 points. Chaos lost
So we just
747.
finished turn 4, and it looks like chaos
Handheld?
has been
What?
defeated Website at eonsbattle.com.
Zoom in.
If you have any
They're just trying to get Fox out of the frame.
Yeah, or something.
Please leave in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
Oh, okay.
And that's it.
That was fun. I
It
had
was
a lot
cute.
of fun watching that. That was great.
It was very cute.
I remember that day now.
Yep.
Wow, what a trip down memory lane.
You know what though? As laughable as some of those old videos look by today's standards, I'm still pretty proud of them.
With that said, please feel free to go watch our new stuff.
Yes, may I suggest the periodic table of Space Marines? It's an absolute delight. Feel free to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.
In the grim darkness of the far future, there is only war. Which, like, no one takes a break, ever. Like, at no point... you know what I want to do? I want to model a porta potty for terrain, just to prove that, yes, they do have to go sometimes.